Welcome, everyone. Today, we will learn together how to use the count family. Yes, we have a set of equations called the count family. As follows. Count. The count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers. COUNTA. The counter function counts the number and letters of cells that are not empty in a range. COUNTBLANK. We use COUNTBLANK function to count empty cells in the range. COUNTIF. We use COUNTIF function to count a specific number or letter in the range. Let's see how to use these equations. Firstly, count. We will stand in that cell, then write equals, then write count, open a bracket, then choose the range from which we want to count, then close the bracket. You will see that only numbers are counted. Secondly, count A. We will stand here and type equals, and then type count A. Then open a bracket and select the same range, then close the bracket and press enter. We will see here that all cells with numbers and letters have been counted. Third, count blank. In the same way, we will write here equals, then count blank, then open a bracket and choose the same range, then close the bracket and press enter. We will find that there is only one empty cell in that range, so the result is 1. Finally, COUNTIF. We will write here equals followed by count. If, then we open a bracket and define the range as we did before, but now we have an additional step before closing the bracket. We must specify the number or letter to be counted, so we will put a comma and choose it, for example, the letter C. Then we close the bracket and press enter. The result will be 1 because the letter exists once in that range. But if we replace any letter or number from that list with the letter C, the result will change as you see now. See you in new episodes.